Today I'm going to do something a little different, not like my usual makeup look, and I'm going to begin with skin instead of eyes. I parted my hair down the middle because I understand that parting your hair on the side is for old farts. So I'm going to give it a little tweak right there. And let's begin on the skin. Today I want to revisit my Tacha Primer, the balm one, not the liquid one. I haven't seen, that's probably too much. The recommended amount is to scrape enough off till it fills up to this line. And I always find that that's too much. So I just got a dibby dab. I'm going to rub that in with my hands. All right, that feels good. I washed a bunch of my brushes yesterday, so I should have a fresh brush to use for my makeup. All the makeup that I've done lately, the foundation has been too light. So I'm going in with one that in the past has been too golden. And as suspected, it looks perfect today. I think this one has been discontinued. I'll tell you what it is in a minute. It's the Bobbi Brown Moisture Rich Foundation. Looks good. It's matching perfect. Well, in real life it looks good. On the camera it doesn't look that good. It doesn't have a pump. I think I've seen where you can buy a pump for it. I think I've seen other creators show foundation, Bobbi Brown foundation with a pump. I guess you buy it separate. I think that company is big on charging you a la carte, right? I like that. This foundation needs to stay out here on my vanity. And I'm using the Mally Duo Fiber brush that Morphe has one very similar. I'm going to go ahead and go over my eyelids. I like that. It's not very, it doesn't have much coverage. We'll have to make up for the coverage with the other products. I know a lot of you like to just look natural. I laugh because I don't understand. All right, that's enough. Like I said, we'll make up for the coverage with another product. So I'm going to pull out the Fenty Pro Fltr Powder Foundation. And this is a Sonya Kashuk brush. Just like, see if I can add just a little bit more coverage. There we go. Then I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and I'm going to use an eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to contour my eyelids. I have not cut my bangs anymore. They just, I guess they just look shorter when they're styled this way. There we go. And then I'm going to put some, some lashes on. I'm pulling the glue off of them. I hope I can find my lash glue. Oh, I see it. It's awesome. I've been using my Brite and Fields religiously, but my eyelashes don't look any longer. I'm filming, so Pat's getting ready to grind coffee. Okay. Wait for it. Alright, he figured it out. He's not going to grind it. He doesn't want to make fun of him. I have my lashes on now, and I am tight lining with the Maybelline Eye Studio in Black is Black to make the lashes look blended. I'm having technical difficulties today, and I'm not sure what the issue is. Could just be a personal problem. Alright, so back to that blending again. So I'm just taking the brush that comes with the Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner and pushing it up into the base, the roots of my lashes to make that look blended. And then I'll also do the same thing with the mascara. I'm going to get down in the roots of the bottom lashes too. Like that. Alright, now I'm going to take the mascara. I'm going to take the Extreme, I Heart Extreme from Essence. I'm going to get into the roots like this. And I'm not going to carry it out to the lengths because I don't want my lashes, I want them to stay fluffy. And I'm going to hit those bottom ones. And I'll probably go back and hit the bottom ones again. I'm going to put I'm going to take the Buttery from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So if you want something similar, I would describe it as literally the color of butter. I'm putting that on my lid, and then going back with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer and put some Charlotte Tilbury bronzer on the bottom lash line like that. And I'm going to bronze up my face with it. I'm going to put it where bronzer goes. On the high areas of my face where the sun would hit it. I am contouring a little here. still the same bronzer. And I'm going to take some of the coral blush from the Viseart, the Rose Coral palette. This one that's busted up. If anybody has one of these that they don't use and they want to sell it to me at a used price, of course if you ship it to me it's going to bust up anyway, right? So I guess never mind. Alright. I also did my brows off camera. I used the note pencil that I always use. Yeah, those are crunchy. That's why they sound crunchy. And I'm going to use my Rimmel Cappuccino lip liner. Do y'all follow me on Instagram? Have you seen the outfits that I've put together lately? Let me know here in the comments if you want me to do a video try on haul of the things that I've gotten from those posts that I've done. I'm kind of smearing that in. And I'm going to use I'm going to start off with the KKW Pink 1. I haven't been able to get a lip look that I've liked lately either. I don't know what's going on with me and my... Alright, well I must have packed up I must have taken the new lip I bought. License to Love from NARS. I must have put that in my handbag. Okay, that is the Pink 1 from KKW and the San Diego from City Lips. The Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to get a pencil brush. Like that. That didn't do anything. Alright, we're still missing our under eye highlight, and I'm going to use the Tarte, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. concealer brush to blend that in. This, a little bit goes a long ways with this concealer. They sell a travel size, a mini, so you probably, I'll link the mini. It doesn't go as far as I thought it did. I'm carrying it down the side of my nose, down the center of my nose. Alright, it's time for me to go watch church service. So I'm going to leave you with this look. This look was inspired by something I was watching this morning on YouTube. It was a young whippersnapper that didn't need much makeup. But I kind of liked the look, so I thought I would give it a go. I'm going back over the lip liner. And I'm going to take a concealer brush. I know, I can't ever leave anything alone. And I'm going to perfect that line. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you like this no makeup look. I enjoyed doing it for you, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Ta-ta.